Welcome home to RiverPlace, a new community in South Hillsboro. It's located in a serene neighborhood, close to shopping, schools, Intel, Nike, and the tech corridor. Built by Riverside Homes, it features 29 spacious floor plans that can be personalized through upgrades to fit your needs. Designed with traditional architectural detailing, the stylish elevations add charm and distinction without a custom home price. Heading inside, you'll discover open concept floor plans with sophisticated interiors, ample windows for natural light, and exceptional craftsmanship. Entertain in your new kitchen with a large island as you appreciate the ease and functionality of the workspace, storage, and latest appliances. Relax and unwind in the spacious master suite. Attention to the smallest details is apparent in the luxurious and well-appointed master bath and beyond. The spacious floor plans range from 1,500 to nearly 2,200 square feet, offering a variety of options for your lifestyle. Energy efficiency is a priority at Riverside Homes. This saves you money and adds immense comfort to your home. All homes are fully fenced, providing privacy, and they include a professionally landscaped front yard and drip irrigation system. Built with a focus on quality while using state-of-the-art technology, all homes are backed by structural warranties to protect your investment. An exceptional opportunity for a home in RiverPlace. It's all here ready for you to call home. To schedule your own personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582 or email steve@nassarteam.com.